Welcome guys to part 2 of transforming this beauty. So if you have not watched part 1, I'll make sure I link it in the cards above and also in the description box below, so make sure you check it out so that at least you are abreast with everything that has been done to the car, the shape that the car was in when we found it, and everything that has been done so far. So in part 2, the major thing that you're going to be doing is now prepping for paint work and doing the paint job, because this car didn't have a lot of mechanical issues that were being sorted, so that's why everything else was being done quickly. So here what we are seeing is the guys they did the panel beating, and also now they are doing spot putty, applying it on the places where at least they need to fill in, and also now we do the sanding before we get to painting.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks, and I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes, and now I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Just take me back to you. Wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you. I just wanna go back to you. Baby, take me back to you. Your bedroom.
The floor of the car had a dent on the right hand side, so I think as a result of the previous driver, she had hit something, so there was a dent on the right hand side. But that is something the guys who are doing panel beating came and worked on. And then the other thing was the exhaust pipe. It had it was broken, so we called the guy who was doing the welding to come and repair it. The next thing is the guys who are doing the paint work, doing the prep work. They were placing newspapers on the areas of the car where they did not want the paint to be on. And then with that, we could now officially start painting the car.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at what you're doing. It's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Morning guys, so today is Wednesday the 5th of April. We are so behind schedule. We were so behind because this is week 3 of having the car in the garage. So the plan was by the end of week 2 this car was supposed to be out, but we got a delay because of the lights. But anyway, we got the lights and now we can continue. So today they are doing like the final touches, and then now they get to paint. So they've done the primer, the undercoat, they've done the spot putty. So right now what we are doing is they are correcting the small areas that still have an issue, the places which are not smooth. So that is what they're doing right now. And then hopefully maybe by midday, because at this point it is around 9:30 a.m. so hopefully by midday we are going to start now the paint work. So this is supposed to be like a whole day's affair, so waiting to see how it goes. But this will be a darker shade of silver, not like the other silver that we were doing on the other car. So crossing fingers, but I'm sure the guys got it. I know they'll do an awesome job. So let's wait for the guys to come and start painting.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down.
part 1 of this car video, you will notice that the car didn't come with the headlights for the left hand side, so that is the passenger side, so there was no headlight for that. And the lights did take quite some time because we were debating if we should get it from Dubai, but getting it from Dubai came at a higher cost, so eventually we decided to get it locally. But that is what took a bit of time and delayed the whole process of painting the car, since the car could not start paint work if the headlights had not been installed. So since one of the headlights was brand new and then the other one was kind of used, so we had to clean the headlight that was that had been in the car, that was so we had to clean the headlights that were not brand new, so at least it could be similar to the brand new headlights that we had gotten. So we called the guy to come clean the headlights, and as you can see, the guy did magic on these headlights. You cannot even tell which headlight was new and which one was washed. So he did a very good job with cleaning the headlights. And apart from that, I think that was all that was done to the car. So the other bits were small things that we were buying, but nothing major that was being done to this particular car.
There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, I really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds.
We've come to the end of this particular episode, and the makeover for this particular car, I have been using it as I have stated before, and it is in very good condition. So it's always been a pleasure bringing these kind of videos to you. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your feedback from these car episodes, and I'd love to know which other car would you like me and I'd love to know which other car would you love to see us working on, because I've been loving Benzes, and I think the other 3 cars I still have in the pipeline are Benzes, but I will be bringing you a Matatu, a Ma3. I think that's the next transformation that we're going to be doing, and I can't wait for you guys to see the beautiful work that was done on that particular Ma3 and how it transformed. So share this video with anyone that you know loves car content, that's someone who would enjoy the content, and I'll be seeing you next week with yet another car transformation video.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be.